Hello, I'm Jason from Deepernauts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use HTTPS filtering in the brand new DPN app. Block ads in services like Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify with HTTPS filtering. Head over to Settings and then Network Protection. Then scroll down to How to install certificates. On this page, you will see all supported applications that HTTPS filtering will help block ads from. Enable filtering, press Install. Then you'll need to download the certificate. In Google Chrome, you have to save the certificates and then you can open in Downloads. So press the Save button and then press Open In. Then all you need to do is press the certificate that is in your download section. Then you'll need to choose your device. Press iPhone, press Close, and the certificate is downloaded. Head over to Settings in General and scroll down where it says VPN and Device Management. There, you will need to press Install for the certificate, input your password, and then install one more time. After that's done, go back to Settings in General, click on the About button, and scroll down to Certificate Trust Settings. Once you press Trust on the certificate, then head back over to the DPN app and verify. Once the certificate is verified on your device, then you're done. You have HTTPS filtering, which will block out ads, more security protections, and even network acceleration. And don't forget, you can get a 7-day free trial with this code. The link is in the description.
Deeper network of the users, by the users, for the users.